Welcome to my channel. Welcome to Danielle-ish. If you've never been here before, it's nice to meet you. Today I'm unboxing a BOXYCHARM, and I made this look with that BOXYCHARM, and it's a BOXYCHARM for February. So, you know, that's cool. I'm gonna have an unboxing, and it's featuring me and my bronchitis. So I've been sick for like a week, but I said, you know what? I need to film, and so that's what I did. I filmed for you guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you want to see which of the products on my face came from my BOXYCHARM and how I came up with this crazy space look, then just keep on watching. Just like my other videos, I have not opened this yet. You can see seal of approval saying that this has not been opened or tampered with in any way. I always want my first impression to be your first impression. Okay, so just like every other BOXYCHARM, this is what it looks like. You open it up, it says hello charmer. That's me, I'm the charmer. And then we open it, oh my goodness, I'm not gonna look. And it has a card, and then a floof, and then all the items. Let's start this box. So the theme for this month is Galaxy Glow. This is what the card looks like. It's super cute. I really dig it. And then on the back, this is all of the items, kind of a little bit about them, and the prices that they retail for. I have to try to do this in order because I messed this up last time. It looks like I can just go ahead and do my foundation routine, so I'll be right back. Okay, so my basic foundation routine is done, including primer and a bunch of other stuff. So I used my Becca First Light Priming Filter as my primer, and then I mixed my NYX Total Control Drop Foundation with my CoverFX Custom Enhancer Drops to kind of give myself a little bit of an internal glow. And then I used my concealer, my Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and I put some powder on my face. And now here we are. It's just us. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start with the first thing on this card, which is two things actually from Ofra Cosmetics. So the first thing is a pop-up palette. It says it's a mini pop-up palette. It retails for $19. It says the pop-up palette mini provides a perfect home for any magnetic makeup Godet. Items can be continually tailored and rearranged according to personal preference. The unique design is lightweight and travel-friendly, yet securely holds the Godets in place. So, okay, let's see what this is. Wow, it's so big. This is what it is. It's kind of like a Z palette, if you've ever seen a Z palette, but basically it is magnetic. Oh, this is crazy. It just opens up like that, and then this is magnetic, and you could stick magnetic things in there, like eyeshadows. Next thing, it's part of this little doodad, is a blush Godet refill. So it says blush Godet offers strong pigment with long-lasting effect and a fabulous pressed powder blush. It retails for, this one color retails for $12. So this is what it looks like. And then I guess you just, oh, you just pop it in there. See? It's just all types in there. Okay, well that's cool. So if I ever buy single shadows that are magnetic, I can put them in here. So the next thing is from CoverFX, which I'm kind of excited about. It's the Shimmer Veil. It says, these multi-use shimmery cream colors are crease-proof enough for the boldest of eye looks and formulated with a weightless finish for a shimmering effect anywhere on the face. Suitable for all skin types. It retails for $28. This is what this looks like. This is what it looks like. It's shiny, holographic. So the next thing that I'm gonna go over is from Crown Pro. It's a trio brush set, and I'm excited because I love brushes. So trio brush set, it retails for $29.99. It says use this 3-piece pro brush trio to contour your face to perfection. The small brush can be used to conceal imperfections and highlight underneath the eyes. The medium-sized brush can be used to sculpt the cheekbones and the perimeter of the face. And finally, the large powder brush can be used to set everything in place. I like these, they're pink. This is what they look like. I like them. There, it's the same exact color and style as a Wet n Wild brush though. I'm gonna get you guys zoomed in and we're gonna start doing some things. Ignore my eye. I don't know what it thinks it's doing, but it needs to chill out. So I'm gonna use this brush from the Crown Pro brush set, and I'm actually gonna dip into the Ofra color, and I'm gonna do some stuff. Let's see what I can come up with. That I have done an eyeshadow with the blush they gave me, I am going to take this CoverFX Shimmer Veil, and I don't know how this is gonna work, but I'm gonna just put this on my face and see what happens. Back into the Ofra blush, but I'm going to take my M576 Morphe brush this time. I want to super blow out my lower lash line. Because I want to. Cool. I think we're just gonna leave it like this, and I promise it'll look good in a minute. And now I'm going to use a Vintage Cosmetics Smoky Eye Pencil. It says it retails for $21. It says Jessika's richly pigmented smoky eye pencil delivers intense jet black definition, creating pencil point precision or smudgy saturated color. The creamy soft formula glides on lids without tugging or pulling. I don't like pencil liners, but this is what it looks like, and we're gonna mess around with it. That was actually a lot easier than most eyeliner pencils. I'm actually going to go ahead and take my Morphe PK45 and I'm going to dip into a little bit of my black from my Tartist of the Sea palette, and I'm going to smudge this out a little bit. Skin is super dry and super not happy with me because I'm a bit sick. So I use the pencil. Pencil is actually pretty good. I actually kind of dig the pencil. So the last thing on this list is going to be the Pure Complexion Authority X-Faux Lips Plumping Lip Exfoliator. This retails for $17, which is kind of a lot of money. With an instant boost of shea butter, raw sugar, and exfoliating beads, this 4-in-1 lip scrub pencil exfoliates, plumps, hydrates, and soothes, using the shea butter to soften lips while the raw sugar and exfoliating beads are used to buff away dead surface cells. It moisturizes the lips for a softer, smoother, more plump lip. Nice. Cool. So this is what this looks like. Let's try it. Oh, I like it. It's shea buttery, and it doesn't taste bad either. I feel like you guys are probably like, is she just gonna leave her eyes like that? No, I'm not. I'm gonna put on some Hello Natural lashes though. Nah, I'm gonna do my big ones. I'm gonna use my favorite Mimi lashes from Lexi Hair Co. Well, It's actually called Lex Unlimited now. If you want to know more about the deets, let me know. I'm gonna put my eyelashes on. I'm gonna be right back. Okie dokie, so these lashes are crazy, but I thought it was kind of cute. Plus, it's a Galaxy Glow theme, so it's gotta be a little bit out of this world. Let's see what I did there. I added lashes, I did my lower lash with mascara, and then I smoked out just a little bit on the wings with a little bit of black eyeshadow. But other than that, this is looking pretty cute. All I have to do is really my face stuff. So I'm gonna use the big crown brush, and I'm gonna use my Morphe contour stuff that I use all the time. And let's see how this brush do. I actually like how this brush do. I like that this brush is tapered because I can get the definition that I want, but then I can blur it out, which I like. No lie, I thought this look was gonna turn out horrendous, but I think I saved it. I'm going to take the Ofra blush and, oh, that was too much. I want to try and use this as a highlighter too, this little CoverFX thing, but I don't know how this is gonna go. So we're gonna put this on my cheeks. And I'm gonna take the little brush that I haven't used yet. It's still just a line. Okay, so Beauty Blender is the way to go. I am going to take my Nomad Beauty and this little guy. There we go. Like this brush as a highlight brush though. Last but not least, we're gonna do a lippy. I kind of want to go crazy here and try black lipstick because it's space. Galaxy Glow. Gonna do it. We're gonna do it. I think I'm done. Y'all, why my BOXYCHARM looks, they always gotta be crazy. I always like, I gotta take what's in the box and then I gotta put some more stuff on. Every time. Every time. What do I think? Galaxy, glowy. I think it turned out the way that I had no idea it was gonna come out. I never know what I'm doing when I do BOXYCHARM unboxings. That's it. That's it for today's thing. If you guys liked how this crazy Galaxy Glow look came about, please let me know in the comment section below. And if you enjoy my content, please join the Danielle-ish family and hit the subscribe button. And if you're feeling super fancy today, you can hit the little ding-a-ling bell next to the subscribe button. It's crazy. When I post videos, you're gonna see them right away. They're gonna pop up. It's cool. It's the bee's knees. So go ahead and click that. And there's nothing else for me here, you guys. I love you. Thanks for watching. Bye.